Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. Painting your whole house by yourself is a huge job, but you can do it a small section at a time. So what I'm going to start with is this wall right behind me. So the first thing I'm going to do is pressure wash all the surfaces. After that, I'll scrape any loose paint off of the smooth surfaces. The next thing I'm going to do is start with replacing cedar shakes that are really not scrapable. The other thing that I'm doing is replacing the corner trim pieces. They're just a little molded piece of aluminum that's angled, made for this type of siding, and they just slide into place. And the bottom has a little hooked ledge that you slip over the bottom edge of the shakes and then nail off the top. So we got all our new cedar shakes up. And the next thing I'm going to do is prime any areas that need priming. Now, the new cedar shakes already have primer on them, but I'm going to prime them anyway. Here's the reason why. They're brand new and all of the texture is still really crisp, whereas the old shakes have several coats of paint on them. And so I'm going to put on a coat of triple thick primer on the new shakes just to bring them a little bit closer in texture to the old shakes. Okay, so all the surfaces are primed. So next we're going to start with paint. And I'll start with the wall. Now we're going to paint the soffit and fascia. So the soffit and fascia are all sprayed, and I'll give it a little time to dry and then pull off the masking and we'll be all good to go. For more great projects, visit us at familyhandyman.com.